Okay. I don't think I would. I don't know. I don't know. Hello. Hello everyone. Mi nombre es Amanisi. Big car. My name is Amanisi Josamak. My name is Jamonic. My name is what? My name is my name is Slim Shady. My name is Slim Shady. I don't remember part of that song. Well, I am about to sing Honeymoon Avenue by Ariana Grande. Oh my gosh, I wasted my time talking for like a minute already. hmm. I look in my rearview mirror and it seemed to make a lot more sense than what I see ahead of us, yeah. I'm ready to make that turn before we both crash and burn. 'Cause that could be the death of us, the death of us. Baby, you know how to drive it right, and you decide enough to make a change. Stuck in the same old lane, going the wrong way out. I feel like my heart is stuck in bumper traffic. Come under pressure, 'cause I can't have you the way that I want. Let's just go back to the way it was. We were on honeymoon avenue, honeymoon avenue, my baby, coasting like crazy. Can we get back to the way it was? Hey, what happened to the butterflies? Getting caught in that sunset, and my heart is on a yellow light, a yellow light. Hey, right when I think how we found it, well, that's the reason turning around. You're saying, baby, don't worry, but we're still going the wrong way. Baby, you know how to drive it right. You decided not to make a change. Stuck in the same old lane, going the wrong way home. I feel like my heart is stuck in bumper traffic. I'm under pressure 'cause I can't have you the way that I want. Just go back to the way it was when we were on honeymoon avenue, honeymoon avenue, my baby, coasting like crazy. Can we get back to the way it was? They said only fools fall in love. Well, they must have been talking about it. Sometimes I feel like I've been here before. I could be wrong, but I know I'm right. We gon' be lost if we continue to fight. Honey, I know we can find a way home. long, well, since this song is long as, I'm gonna stop it right here. And oh my gosh, it's already at. Why keep doing it?